Alright fellas, here's my motor. It's a 1981 Evinrude 25 horse E25 RCIM. As many of you know, I've been rebuilding this thing and working on it for several months now, and finally got it running and got the timing and all that set up, and it's got a new everything on it, you know, new bearings, new seals, new prop, new carburetor rebuild kit. Pretty much, like I said, everything's on it is brand new, and with the help of all the fellas on the iBoats.com forums and a lot of research, I've been able to get this thing up and running after a lot of work and a lot of time, and like I said, mostly with the help of all the good folks at the iBoats.com forum. And I'm finally gonna post a video here of it starting and running and everything, as many of you have been waiting to see. And like I said, this motor of mine is going on a 1978 Starcraft Seafarer 14, and I'm expecting that this new motor and everything will probably push me close to 30, if not a little bit more, as I've got a little Mariner 10 horsepower, you can see right here, and that thing right there pushes me right at 20 on a good day. But anyhow, so we're going to go ahead and start it for you fellas, and see what all the help you guys have provided me is resulted in. So here we go. Well, there it is, and a lot of smoking, but I'm presuming that's from the increased amount of oil in the fuel. But I got it. Maybe you can see in the video when I post it. Once it's warmed up and you throttle it down, it's idling. It's jumping between 750 and 1,000. So that sounds about right to me per the manual and everything. But anyhow, now I'm going through the process of the break-in, the low RPM break-in here at the house, and then once I get that done, I'll head to the water and start the high RPM break-in. But once again, I want to say thanks to all the guys who helped me through this process at iBoats forums, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.